In this video, I'm going to talk about horizontal translations given in function notation. If we're given a function y equals f of x, a horizontal translation can be written in the form y equals f of x minus h. So that right there represents a horizontal translation of the function y equals f of x. In this instance, if h is greater than 0, the horizontal translation is going to move the graph to the right h. If it is less than 0, the horizontal translation is going to move the graph to the left, the absolute value of h. So let's do a couple of examples. Given the graph y equals f of x, sketch the transform function g of x equals f of x minus 2. So if we go back to our general notation here, we had y equal to f of x minus h. And what did we say about this? We said if h is greater than 0, we're going to move to the right h. Right h. Okay, so if we look at this is actually here a subtraction sign. Okay, and I have a subtraction sign here. That's great. That literally means, though, that this right here, this number right here is h, and that number is actually positive 2. Oh, Windows Update notification there. Okay, positive 2. Okay, so our h here is plus 2, which means we're going to move to the right 2. So I take all my points here, and we're going to move each of those points to the right 2. And there is a graph of the transform function. G of x equals f of x minus 2. Let's do one more example. Given the graph y equals f of x, we're going to sketch the transform function g of x is equal to f of x plus 1. Notice this time, though, that this is a plus sign. And in our general form, we had y equal to f of x minus h. Okay? So in order for this to happen, h here must be negative 1. And that's because x minus negative 1 actually equals x plus 1. We subtract a negative, we get a positive. So this time our h is less than 0. And if h is less than 0, we're going to go left the absolute value of negative 1. So we're going to move all these points to the left 1. And connect the dots, and that is our image.